Could you ever imagine eating a brownie with no flour, completely gluten-free, packed with protein and delicious? No, right? But yes, right now I'm going to share with you how we make it. A super delicious dessert, a protein brownie. Now, desserts that are high in protein are called that protein desserts. This one, even if you can believe it, is made from beans, and the bean flavor, forget about it, you can't even tell. It has an exquisite brownie taste. Besides, it's really easy to make. You just put everything in the blender, mix it, pour it into the mold, bake it, and that's it. We're going to use 300 grams of beans that we soaked overnight. They can be black beans, red beans. In this case, I'm using aduki beans, which have a lot of protein. I leave them overnight in water with a teaspoon of lemon. That way, a fermentation process starts, and this helps eliminate phytic acid. The next morning, we're going to rinse them well. I save this leftover water for the garden because it's nutrient rich and works well for me, but you can throw it away if you prefer. We'll rinse them thoroughly. And we're going to let them drain very, very well. We're going to put the well-drained beans in a powerful blender or a food processor. And right here, we're going to add 3 eggs. Ideally, they should be free-range eggs, or as they call them here, eggs from happy chickens. It's the organic egg, let's say, the kind of egg that often comes with little feathers or traces of dirt, which means it's from a well-cared-for chicken, in a free space where it can feed on bugs, little worms, everything nature gives it, and also corn. Let's add those 3 eggs, thank you. Into this same mixture, and we're going to add 2 heaping tablespoons of ghee. It can also be lard, or in other countries they call it butter, the one that's from cow or pig, not margarine, not that one, absolutely not. You can also use 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When it's in its solid state, just like the ghee, we make 2 heaping tablespoons. Here I melted it so it would be liquid. We're going to add 40 grams of unsweetened cocoa, a generous tablespoon of vanilla extract. And here we're going to use half a cup of brown sugar. You can use any sweetener you like here. You can use coconut sugar, maybe a tablespoon of honey, but this adds a dry element. So, half a cup of brown sugar. That's about 3 to 4 heaping tablespoons. Okay, and we blend all of this together. Or we process it. On the other side, I chopped about 70 grams of walnuts and I'm going to add half of them to the mixture. I just mix it here and that's it. And the other half is for decorating, to put on top. You can do it like this and it will turn out thick, tall, or you can do it. Two thin ones, you know how brownies are often served thin, so with this same mixture you can make two. We're going to add the walnuts. Oh, and on top, lots of walnuts. And just because we're being indulgent, we're going to add a bit of chocolate. This chocolate is 70%. It's good to get one that doesn't have so much sugar. Anyway, the mixture already has some, and we put it in the oven at 180 degrees medium heat. It will take about 40 to 45 minutes. If your oven is a bit weak like mine, it might take a little longer. You'll start checking it after 40 minutes and test it with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's ready. It's done. Well, it's done. And what I want to show you is how to determine that it's ready and done. You stick a toothpick or a thin knife like this in and you'll see that it comes out clean, or just barely dirty. Since we're using beans instead of flour, there will always be a little left on it. Ooh, no, not quite yet. Let's let it cool a little longer. This is so delicious. You can split it in half because they're big, since they turned out wide. Do I have to make the sacrifice and try it? It's delicious. Let's see, Noni. Are you the official taster? Let's see, how is it? Bye-bye. How is it? Delicious? It's good, it's good. Really? Or are you just saying that? Huh? Are you just saying that? Ha ha ha, really? It's very tasty, right? Really? Subscribe. We keep eating, Brownie. Ha ha ha. Same. It's turning out, yes, ha ha ha. They're also licking their fingers. I think they liked it, ha ha ha. And I did too. Are you still eating? I can't even tell you what it's like with a bit of dulce de leche. Amazing. Well, that's it for this video. I hope you really like this recipe. Honestly, it's really great. It's something really tasty, and at the same time it's healthy and gives us a lot of protein. It doesn't have any flour and it's gluten-free. So it's a great recipe. It's good to have it on hand. If you like this video and you like these kinds of recipes, please give us a thumbs up so we know, and share it. That way, more people can have the opportunity to eat something delicious with protein, without flour and gluten-free. Visit our Facebook and Instagram and comment here with your thoughts on the recipe, any changes or additions you'd make, and what you'd do differently. We read your comments carefully. See you next time. Bye. Enjoy your meal.